So here's the thing, loves. I already have here, look, 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 box of heavy cream, and half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix all of this together. I kneaded the dough in the bowl until it formed a ball. See, it no longer sticks. Now I put it on the floured counter and I'm going to knead it just to make it smoother, okay? You don't need to knead it too much, just enough to really mix it. See, the dough is very uniform. Now we're going to wrap it in plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge for half an hour. My dough has already rested for half an hour. Now I'm going to unwrap it, roll it out with a rolling pin, and cut it. I rolled out a piece of dough. Even if it makes the counter messier, I rolled it out on a cutting board, okay? And then you need a circular shape to cut. It doesn't have to be anything specific. I'm going to use this here. It's a little plastic container, okay? I'm going to place it on the dough and press it to cut our dough. I'm using only one hand, so it's not that easy, but look, it cuts super easily, okay? And then we're going to fill it, guys. The filling can be whatever you have in the fridge, okay? Something simple, cheese, ham, tomato. I put a little oregano and a pinch of salt. That's it. Look, I added the filling, closed it. Now I'm going to cut it with this. Look, I do it like this, around the edge, to make it nice and neat. If you don't have this, you can press it with a fork like this to seal the edge as well, okay? Look, it turned out like this, really well sealed, see? We put them on the baking tray, no need to grease it. Look, guys, there were 3 more that aren't here. There were 13 pastries in total. I brushed on an egg yolk. I like to mix the yolk with water so it doesn't get too heavy or leave too many marks. On top, an egg yolk and a teaspoon of water. Brush it on top. And I sprinkled a little sesame. Why? Because I felt like it. If you don't like it, don't add it. If you like oregano, add oregano. If you don't like anything, don't add anything, okay? So now I'm going to put it in the oven and then I'll tell you how long it took, guys. It was about 25 minutes in the oven. A couple of them leaked a little, see? And the rest, some did too, but it didn't spill all over the pan. No, okay, so now I'm going to check the inside. Look how it is inside. It's really tasty. You see, guys, the dough is really dry, well baked, delicious.